Welcome, welcome. I'm excited to talk to you tonight about pilling. And I know that sounds really silly, but I'm surprised at a comment that was made to me a couple months ago and said, I was disappointed that the fabric I bought from you pilled. And it pilled so quickly, I just threw it away after she made something from it. And I thought, oh my gosh, that's just horrible. And so that's really, I had heard the comment before, but not quite so directly about the fabric and about that comment. So I want to talk about pilling today. I want to talk about, first off, what causes it. I want to talk about, and then how to fix it. And then I want to talk about ways to prevent it in general. Okay, so first off, we're going to start with a picture of this fabric that's sitting here on the table. And this fabric I just fell in love with from the minute we got it. It sold quickly. We've had it a while ago, so it's not anything, because I decided that this fabric I knew would pill. And so this fabric I could make something for myself and kind of watch it, and that's what I've done for you, okay? So this first picture is the fabric brand new. You can see it's beautiful. It's this navy. Some of you may have it. Well, some of you do have it, actually. And so it's a cotton poly blend. It's just a really pretty piece of fabric, like a sweater knit is what it is. And this next picture then is I'd made a top for myself, the one I have on, and I was using different neckline templates because I know this is Anne's top with one of the necklines on it, the scoop neck, I think it is. So I made the top, love the top, love the top. I've worn it. I saved the rest of the fabric for me so that I could make a little wrap that went with it. Now, have I made the wrap? No, but it doesn't mean I'm not going to. I just haven't got there yet. It's in my stash. But anyway, so I have worn the fabric, love the fabric, and this picture shows you pilling. And this pilling is under, but that's actually both arms. Both arms have pilled. So I took a picture of the left arm and then the right arm so you could see the pilling of this particular fabric. Okay. So there I want to stop because what I want to explain to you is what pilling is. So pilling is when a fabric is new. It's when a fabric is new. You don't get pilling when a fabric is old because pilling stops. It will not pill forever. It's only in the beginning. And it's when those little short fibers, they just poke their little heads out and they get agitated. And so their little heads come up and they kind of form little balls, little knots on the surface. And so for many people think it's an inferior product. I have cashmere in my closet that pills. It has nothing to do with inferior. It has everything to do with just the fact that that fiber, especially when you're trying to imitate wools and knits, because you're trying, wool fibers are not very long. And so when they're spun, and when they're worn and when agitation is placed on them, they will pill. But again, pilling will not go forever. It will only go when it's new, and then it will stop and you want to maintain it. And so pilling is not a bad thing. It's not a sign of quality. It's not any of those things. And that's what I want to make sure that we understand. Okay, so what it is, it's those short fibers poking their little heads up and they can get cleaned up. We sell a little depiller. You turn it on and you just comb. It's like a men's shaver. Or a women's shaver for that. It's like a shaver. It's a fabric shaver. And we have it on our website. We sell them all the time. And they're wonderful. I think they're critical. I've had one for 1,000 years. Not that long. But anyway, okay, so that's the definition of pilling. And then it will, again, I want to emphasize that it will stop after a little bit. It will not continue for the entire life of the garment, only until those fibers settle down, okay? And then you won't get pilling ever again. So if a fabric pills, you say, oh, I don't want to maintain this. You don't have to. It's only for a short period of time. All right, so let's talk about the ways to prevent. And I've got a little kind of picture here of things we can do to prevent. Okay, so number one, we can we want to stop the agitation is what we want to do. We want to reduce agitation. And so we're going to do that by cold water, turning the garment inside out, You know, interestingly enough, laundry with enzymes is a good way to go. And that's because enzymes have a tendency to coat the fibers. And so they keep those fibers laying down rather than those little fibers poking their heads out. And then, of course, no drying. The agitation, again, agitation from the washer or the dryer, all of it's going to cause pilling. Remember again, though, that pilling is going to stop. So you don't really have to do any of this. Just have a shaver, and then as it goes through the process, just to pill it. But I do think turning clothes inside out and not putting them in the dryer, doing those things, enzyme-related laundry, those are just things to help the fabric last longer. I mean, I know they do stop pilling, I get that. But I also think they help because I'm going to show you another picture. This last picture, and what it is it's the shirt I have on, and it's been now, I've you know, shaved it. I've used my depiller that we sell. I use mine all the time. And I have it now next to my real fabric. I've washed this top that I have on 5 times. I've probably washed it more, but I know I've washed it at least 5 times. And it has a picture of the original fabric and then this fabric. And you can't even tell a difference. Not even can you tell a difference. So I really think those things that we do to stop the pilling are just good washing habits in general. The dryer is just really hard on fabric. It's hard on the size, it's hard on the fibers, it's hard in breaking it down, that heat, all of that is really hard on the fibers. So just kind of keep that in mind as you're going through this cycle. All right, so the number one thing to know is pilling is not cheap. It's not cheap fabric, it's not cheap clothing, it's none of those things. It pills on woven too, but it's generally knitted fibers because knitted fibers are shorter. And there you have it, the rest of the story. Anyway, the goal is to have happy sewing, and thanks for watching.